Hi guys, it's Shazib Afridi from Logics, and this is part 28 of our tutorial series how to make Ludo game in Unity. Okay, so we have completed our Red Player 1 movement. Okay, it's done, and there is and nothing is left. Okay, so we are done with Red Player 1 movement, and the thing that I am going to change is basically it's um, if this statement, if this if statement, if it is in this way. The way in which our statement is right now is correct in this way, but it can be simply like we can avoid so many ends. Okay, but this is also correct. Okay, so what I am gonna do is simply I'm gonna eliminate these so many uh, like so many ends. Okay, and what I did is basically like if our red player 2 steps plus red player 3 steps plus red player 4 steps, if they all are equal to 0, like none of them, like none of our like except red player 1, none of the red players have come out of their homes yet, so it will be equal to 0, like their steps wouldn't be incremented and they will return 0. Okay, so it's the same as we had written the code in the one that I removed just a few seconds ago. Okay, so this code will serve the same purpose. Okay, but it was like you can say to avoid too many ends. Okay, so to keep things simple. Okay, so it's done, and let's do the same thing. I am going to copy this whole red player one movement. Okay, and I am going to let's do that. I am going to uh, let's cut this code and let's paste it above the start method. Okay, because I like it that way. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter at all. Okay, and it doesn't matter where you want to put your code. Okay, so it's just I like it this way. Okay, so let's create let's create a function for our red player 2, uh, red player 2 movement, and I am going to duplicate the same code. Okay, from here to there, from there to right up here. Okay, from there to right down up to this point. Okay, so let's paste it, and now we need to change few things because it's red player 2 movement, so it's going to be red player 2. Here the steps, and it's going to be red player 2, and it's going to be 2, and okay, these changes. Mm, and it's going to be 2, and it's going to be 2, and 2, and 2, and 2. Nothing needs to be changed here and here, and it's going to be 2. Current player name will player 2. Okay, and I will do the same for okay, 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 okay. So it needs to be like it's red player 1, 3, and 4. Okay. Mm, the rest of things are, I think, okay. So let's save it and let's do this for player 3 movement. So let's copy that, paste it here as well. So now let's do the same thing. Let's copy this too, and wherever we see one, we will paste it. Okay. What the hell? It should be 3. What the hell is wrong with me? Should be 3. It's 3. It's 3. Let's copy this and let's paste it. It's 3, bro. What was I thinking? I don't know what was I thinking. Yeah, sometimes things get messy. Okay, so it's done. Mm, Because if I forget it anywhere, it will create big problems for me. Okay, so I have to be more careful, like more careful. You know what I mean? It's going to be 3. Everywhere there is 1, there should be 3. Where there is 1, there should be 3. Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, it should be 3. I think I have somewhere. Let's see. Yeah. It's 2. Okay. So I knew it. I forgot it. Knew it. knew it. I knew it. Yeah, here, here, mm, and here as well, and here, and here, and yeah. So, whoa. It's three, it's two, it should be one, should be two and four. Yeah, should be two and four. Okay, okay, okay. So let's do the same thing for the fourth one. Public void. Yeah, like you should be thinking like I should copy the whole method and just yeah instead of but yeah, it's okay. We have done it already. Like I've copied the inside code, so yep, it's okay. Now you know how things work, so you can do that for yourself. You should copy the whole method and then just change this to 3 and 1. Okay, so what? Oh, I had copied only. Yep. So yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's copy the whole method right up to this point and let's paste it here. And it should be 4. Simple as that. Copy this 4 and paste it wherever you see 3 or 1. It's basically 3 because we copied red pair 3 moment. So that's why it's going to be 3 everywhere. 3 and 3 and 3. Everywhere 3, 3, 3. Yep. Whoop. 3 and 3 and 3. Okay. So just most of the code in this game that we are going to write is basically we are gonna have a lot of duplicate code. Okay, so like you write code for one player, then you have to copy the same code for the other 3 players. Okay, so it's the basic idea. And what you have done for red one, the same is going to be for the green, blue, and yellow. So it's like you just you have to change the names and the code is same. Okay, so the source code is not is not like it's not lengthy. Okay, it's not a lot of the source code is not in a lot of lines. Okay, it's because of duplication. It takes too many lines. Like I'm talking about these lines, this number of lines. Okay, so it's basically because of you know uh, I forgot this again. It's basically because of the duplication of the code. Okay, so it's not that much, but because of duplication, it takes too many lines, like too many lines. Yes, you know what I mean. One, two, and it's going to be three because it's already the fourth player. Hmm, nothing is left. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial, guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. And in the upcoming tutorial, I am going to write the same code, but I am going to change the name for the green one and for green player 1, 2, 3, and 4, and up to that point we will be able to play up to some extent our two players game. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial.